Start with example 5. In given quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral is a parallelogram. It circumscribes the circle with center T. Points E, F, G, H are touching points. AE is 4.5, EB is 5.5. Find AD distance. Now, given quadrilateral, it is a parallelogram. So, AB is equal to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram. AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram. Tangent segments from external point are of same length. So, AE is equal to AH and DG is equal to DH. BE is equal to BF and CG is equal to CF is equal to CG. Add all these equations. You have AE plus EB is plus CG plus DG is equal to AH plus HD plus BF plus FC, which means AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So twice AB is equal to twice AD. So AB is equal to AD. So AD is equal to AB is equal to AE plus EB. So it is 4.5 plus 5.5. So total it is 10. Your question number 6. In given figure, circle with center M touches the circle with center N at T. Circle with center M, circle with center N touches at point T. Radius RM touches the smaller circle at S. RM touches smaller circle at point S. Radii of circles are 9 and 2.5 cm. Find answers to the following questions and hence find MS is to SR ratio. MS is to SR. This you have to find. Find the length of segment MT. Find the length of MN. Find measure of angle NSM. Now what is given to you? Radius of the circle with center M is 9. Radius of the circle with center N is 2.5. Now join MT and NS. Join these two. N is center of the circle. S is point of contact. RM is tangent to the circle with center N. So this angle S is 90. Two circles touch each other and their point of contact lie on the line joining their centers M and N. Point of contact is T. So point M and T are collinear. Length MT is 9 cm. Length of the segment MT, radius of the circle, which is 9 cm. Length of segment NT is 2.5. Radius of circle with center N. So now length of segment MN is equal to length of segment MT minus NT. So here 9 minus 2.5. So length of segment MN is 6.5. Thus length of segment, your second answer is ready, MN. Now you have to find out angle NSM. So tangent at any point to the circle is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. So RM is tangent, NS is radius of the circle, angle NSM is 90 degrees. Apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle NSM. MN square is equal to NS square plus SM square. NS you know 2.5, MN you have 6.5, which is calculated here, and find out SM. SM is 6 cm. Right? Apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Now SR is MR minus SM. MR is 9. 9 minus 6, that is 3. RS is 3. We want ratio MS is to SR. So MS is 6 and SR is 3. 6 is to 3. that is 2:1.